Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to make time of smartwatch. First, ensure your device has a full charge, which typically takes about 2 hours for most models. Next, download the specific companion application to your smartphone. This app is crucial for managing settings and features. Finally, pair your smartwatch with your smartphone via Bluetooth, usually by following on-screen prompts on both devices. This initial connection is vital for accurate timekeeping. Once paired, your smartwatch should automatically synchronize its time with your smartphone. This is the most common and reliable method. To ensure this, check that your smartphone's date and time settings are set to automatic or network-provided time. Also, confirm your smartphone has a stable internet connection, either Wi-Fi or cellular data, as this allows for precise time updates from network servers. This process usually takes only a few seconds. Sometimes, you might need to adjust the time manually, especially if you are in an area without network coverage or prefer a specific setting. To do this, navigate to your smartwatch's settings menu, typically found by swiping down or pressing a side button. Locate the date and time option. Here, you will likely need to disable the automatic time feature. Then, you can manually set the hour, minute, and date directly on the screen, often with a simple tap or swipe. If your smartwatch time is still incorrect, don't worry, there are a few troubleshooting steps. First, try restarting both your smartwatch and your smartphone. This often resolves minor software glitches. If the issue persists, unpair and then repair your devices. This reestablishes the connection. Finally, ensure both your smartwatch's operating system and its companion application are updated to their latest versions. Updates often include bug fixes that can correct time synchronization problems, ensuring accuracy within 1 second.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.